Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Go ahead and hit that bell notification so you can get all the other videos that we put out for the boat show. There's a ton of them. But this has been a quest of mine since I was a little kid, and I had my little toy catamaran, my little two blackout boards on it. I have always been like obsessed with figuring out what was the most efficient, fastest, safest boat, especially offshore in big waves. We believe that living a waterful life isn't something you just do for fun, but it's part of who you are. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel below so we can inspire just that.